Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. It's been a busy week, but I'm back and I want to make sure that we all are prepared for the market today before it opens. So it's already July 9th and it's already 3:48 in the morning, but yeah, we gotta do this so that we're all prepared. Okay. Now, what I normally do here is I review the most trending stocks in the market. So if this is the first time you're watching this video, if this is the type of video you want to check out every single day, you're free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can also request your favorite stocks here. Just drop a comment, right? So let us begin. I will normally sort this according to all stocks and highly traded stocks, and then we work our way downwards from top to bottom. But first, let's talk about the index. Okay, so it's been 3 days of a red market, okay, a red performance in the past 3 days. And let's try to understand what really happened here. Um, One thing I can say here is that with the price moving higher at this point over here, I noticed that our RSI, on the other hand, is declining. So while we reached the top over there, you see that here we peaked here, but our RSI has already manifested a declining momentum. So that's the reason why the price here had dropped. Now we're technically at risk here because we're here at the MA20 line and we're about to trigger a break or a breakdown in the price. But we have to observe, just probably wait till this day because this could be a make or break day for the price to either bounce at the MA20 level because we're sitting at the MA20 area, or we are going to experience a breakdown in the price. So that's the level that we are at right now. Okay, so we're sitting at the MA20 level. This used to be a resistance, and we could, who knows, be establishing a support right at that level. So just check that out. Now let's discuss the highly traded stocks today. MONDE experienced, oh nice, this is a bounce indeed. Interesting candlestick today. You had a solid green candlestick that is engulfing. When I say engulfing, it is much higher than the previous day's red candlestick. So that's a bullish sign. And 2 days, actually, we can already consider the candlestick from the 6th of July because it did a small wick over here. And since a support is an area, it could be slightly higher or slightly lower than we plot the support at that level. So I see at the moment we are establishing a support around the 16.17. Okay, so since the volume is not that much, there is still a possibility that we'll experience fluctuations, allowing you to probably enter near 16.17 before it takes off again. Okay, so just take note of that area. Nearest resistance is around 17 level. Okay, so let's see if it is going to break that. Ideally, we want to see the volume increase as we go higher because that simply means that the momentum is there, the buying sentiment is strong, therefore, the stock will continue to move up. So that is what we're trying to see. Okay, here's another stock that is also trying to replicate the same setup while the price is moving higher. Okay, you see that price is moving higher, your RSI is also declining. So it has been the second day, and let's find out if it is going to sustain. In the meantime, I still would like to Yeah, plot the area. See if it is a perfect pattern right there. Just try to create that kind of channel. Still, that's still part of an uptrend channel, but we're just experiencing some pullback. So if it reaches the MA20 line somewhere over here at around 841, if it bounces at that area, then that simply means it is still respecting this uptrend channel. So see where my line crossed, it's somewhere here at the MA20 line. Therefore, MA20 is still a valid point here. So if it breaks the MA20 level, then we might see some more decline. If I'm to put it in a horizontal support, this could be your support. If it breaks your MA20 line, okay, then it could potentially drop to the 815 level. So that's the next key level after the MA20 area. So for now, just take advantage of this. I think if you are to look at ACEN, I've been mentioning this. ACEN is a growth stock, very very good potential, high potential, given the fundamentals of the company and the nature of the business. So take advantage of these dips. I believe a lot of you guys are going to really look forward to that 815 level if in case the price level reaches that area, because that is going to be a promising area to add more volume for you guys. Bloom. Okay, nice bloom. This is a breakout. Why am I saying that? It is a breakout of the downtrend channel. It actually started manifesting, well, just today. This is your downtrend channel. See that? That was the movement this stock has been following for quite some time now, since June. Okay, almost half a month of that kind of movement, and then we broke out of that. We're already triggering a breakout of the MA20 line. Therefore, this is where I'd like to plot our support right now. This is your new support, guys. So expect that there could be a continuation to the upside. And I like the volume. Imagine that you actually already had an idea that we are approaching a reversal soon, because right here we were just stabilizing, very minimal movement, and then your volume is starting to increase. Therefore, the interest of the people is already starting to manifest in this area while we were just stabilizing. And then see what happens next. We've broken out of that key level. So really promising stock. I think this is a very good setup. So if you have Bloom, you're lucky, and if you were able to enter around this key area, then you're lucky. Okay, and imagine, let's see the bigger picture. So this is under what? Bloomberry Resorts Corporation. So tourism industry, right? So with the vaccination um, progressing fast enough, I think the tourism industry will be recovering pretty soon after that. So 661, really good level at the moment. BDO is next. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, just be extra careful because we might break the just in case we break the MA20 line. I'm thinking the next possible drop would be right at the 112.58, but let us first observe if indeed that will be broken, because we're still sitting at the MA20 level. Okay, so what you can do probably is just create this pattern. This is a declining, uh, I forgot the term, but it's a flag pattern that is uh, declining. Yeah. If you know the right term, you can drop a comment, but use this. So what we want to see is if this is your downtrend resistance here, and what we want to achieve is to break out of that. So chances are we will see continuation after that. Next is Dito. Okay, Dito, very, very minimal movement. Um, let's see. What we want to see here is for the stock to start increasing the volume, then that could be a good sign. But at the moment, we could just be just moving within this range. We don't know how long it'll take. Remember, right here in the past, it took so long just moving sideways or just around this level, more than a year, I believe, before it has taken off. But this is I personally have Dito, and look at it for long term. We already have the tangible business operating. Okay, so there's nothing to be scared of. If you believed in the stock even before the actual life of the business, then all the more you should believe in it now that we have the tangible business. Okay, 8.67 for me is a solid support. Um, and if you want to add volume, this is an area that our mid to long term holders are excited to. This is a very good level for them, for us to start accumulating. Ali, Ali is not looking good, but wow. Let's just check this key area because we've been bouncing at this level. Notice? So this used to be a resistance, and then we've broken out of it, and then we bounced right here, dropped, and then bounced again right at the same area. Okay, so let's see if this will remain and will be respected. And I'm plotting that key area as our support at the moment. Also, you can do this. Then this is your declining resistance over here. So once we break out of that, then we will see a a breakout of the risk. The risk here is if it breaks this support. But once the sentiment is starting to break this key level here, which is your resistance, then chances plus your, let's say, volume is also increasing, then that's a good sign. We will have a possible movement to the upside. And where are we from the big picture? We still have a very good, yeah, we're still at a good level. But mind you, guys, this could mean, a long wait for us. We don't know how long it'll take for us to go back to this level, which is around the 53 area back in July 2019, 2 years ago. Okay, so it's really best that you choose the stock that has solid fundamentals. At least if it drops, you will not be scared. You can still sleep well at night, even if it drops. Okay. Technicals, which is the focus of my discussion every single day, will just teach you. Not really teach because I am not a guru. I am not a financial advisor. I just share what I know. So it's really up to you. So what I discuss here are just technicals based on the indicators that I use. I use Bollinger Band, RSI, volume, candlestick, support, and resistance. So those are the only things that I use. Okay, so I so far I've covered one, two, three, four, five, six stocks for you today, and I'm looking forward to your feedback. And comment. Feel free to request your favorite stock so that tomorrow I can record it for you. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now.